powder.
That's what I'm talking about.
Welcome back to Kicking with Aiden. That is, anyways, welcome back to Kicking It with the Kimberlins, you guys. We are here with another video. I'm gonna drink my tea that my husband made me. So good. It's a hottie toddy. Yeah, you can't have this, baby. I just came off work. My husband's making me cook on his night. And Aiden's chilling here. He gonna help me. Daddy gonna help me.
Wait, I cooked spaghetti last.
Baby, I made salmon. Exactly. Alright. So this is my air fryer. And I'm just gonna back up because I'm gonna have my husband unbox it.
Hello, everyone. The cook of the house is here.
No,
Came through. See, I bought this for her for Christmas, but it's really for myself.
Look at that.
It's a gift that keeps on giving.
What size is it, baby?
It's a 4.5 quart Chefman air fryer. Now let's hope our chicken looks like that. That's the goal.
Mother love. Alright, guys.
What's it like?
Why do that? There's something wrong with him, child. Help him.
Don't fall. No, alright.
Oh, that was a big one.
It is pretty big, huh?
Don't try this at home.
Right, don't try this at home.
Why are you doing that every time? Stop doing just put it in the trash.
Yep. This is our new baby. Let's get the inside set up. So it's very straightforward. It's just time and temperature. That's all you really need.
Yeah.
Nothing really extra. Yeah, time.
Aiden said, what's taking so long? He ready to get to the cooking part.
Well, we have to show it off.
We need some.
So we'll let this go here. And then I'm gonna let my wife take it away and go ahead and season her chicken since it is her night.
Since it is your night.
Enjoy.
To eat some.
I'll put some oil on the top.
Well, no, let me do the oil.
I'm sorry. Hold on, you guys. Aiden wants the seasoning. Come over here in your chair. All right.
Wait.
We already washed our hands, y'all.
What's that?
So here,
What's
Aiden.
that with
Baby, put the Creole in there.
But what's that with
Make sure you get it good, baby. He's not putting in enough. But at least he's trying to cover it evenly. That's like the main thing. All right, let's do the Goya. All right, that's good.
Yeah. That was so crazy. Sorry, we are confident so much. Mom told me. Mom
Got some pepper.
Yeah. Wait, I just tried.
That might make you sneeze a little bit.
What about that?
Onion powder. Go ahead, Aiden. Put that in. Onion powder.
That's enough.
All right, lemon powder.
Oh, yes. Right.
All right, that's enough.
Ah, Aiden. Oh, you went a little too crazy with the lemon pepper.
Too much.
All right.
It ain't cold.
I'm gonna put my onion in her.
I didn't try the onion.
No, because you're doing too much.
No?
Say what's up to Noe, Poe.
No.
Noe. All right.
I didn't try that. Let me try that. Let me try that.
Hold on. I'm gonna do it.
No.
Just a little bit, Aiden. Don't go crazy. Spread it all over the chicken.
That's good.
Ah. This chicken might be a little weird. So yeah, we're just gonna mix it all up. And then our hands.
Try that season salt.
We don't need that, baby.
Why?
We substitute. Remember?
No, in the back sneezing. Like, y'all got me over here.
Yeah, right now we pose.
Let's mix it.
Okay, mix it, Aiden.
Listen. If I smell like something's really bad. I see the bones. I see the bones, guys.
All right, mix it in.
I
Really
see
good.
the bones.
Mix it
Hi, bones.
Hi, Bones. Keep mixing it.
Mixing it, baby.
Wait,
You gotta get it good.
Oh, you little.
You
don't like that stuff.
Wow. I need to wash my hands.
Keep mixing it.
I'm ready, Bones.
Look, when you mix it, you gotta pick it up, move it around, make sure all the chicken gets evenly seasoned.
Hey.
All right, so we got the seasoning part down and packed. Now let's go ahead and put it in the fire. And he want to wash his hands. Anyways, I want to tell you guys what I love about this. It has a timer on there. Anybody knows when I cook, I always have a timer because I get sidetracked, might forget something, might forget how long to cook it, might overcook it, might undercook it. So, as you can see, it's doing that countdown. So, I love it. Thanks, babe.
To me, they didn't see how this shit really be.
No, that's a lie. No, that's a lie. You was like, let me get on the camera. Let me do it. Let me show you myself.
Mixing the chicken right. I had to get it
We was mixing it right.
You know what I'm saying? With that, like that dough action, you gotta mix that shit. The hell? All cooking nights end up as my night.
That's a lie. Stop.
End.
All right, let's see what it look like. So, who was the one that told you to put it on 400? Your wife or your wife? Exactly, my point.
So I think maybe cooking it on the 360 kind of keeps the juice. Nah, Sway.
Let's see what it look like. Oh, that look good for sure.
You think it's done?
I think it could be turned another 3 minutes on the other side, so I look kind of like.
Yeah, let me sit it down.
What you think?
Yeah, I think just a little bit. Just because we never did it before, I don't want it to like, the chicken be not.
Yeah, we gotta have well done chicken, y'all.
Yeah, we don't play with that bird. Nasty. So I need my shit well done.
Diggy. Hey.
Okay, cool. All right, let's go ahead and throw this back in for about 3 more minutes. Look at that 10-piece nugget.
Maybe 4. Let's do 4.
Let's do 4.
And then next time we
And look how simple this is, guys. You just literally hit time, bring it down. Look at that. So like sensitive, perfect. Temp, leave it there and just start.
That's that technology on.
So yeah, the 400 degrees is probably the way to go. You'd have probably already been done by now. But hey, we're just trying things out,
Yeah.
Got the 10-piece nugget, about to put it back in.
I would say that look better. How about you, Mom? What you say?
Yeah, that's
Yeah. right.
Yep, that's better.
So let's put it in there another 400 for another 6 minutes. And
We'll see where she's at. Because it might be like a 20-minute at 400 vibe. That's what I'm kind of looking at. But
it's a vibe.
yeah, it's definitely a vibe. Because now I have to go to like, you know, Buffalo Wild Wings or Fridays. I got them fresh joints.
I know.
Right
I
here.
can't wait to make some hot wings.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh.
Ooh.
Buffalo?
That's what we gotta do next time. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
All right, I'm going to throw these back in and see what it do.
And I love it, you guys, because when you put it back in,
The time
it
stops.
starts automatically and the timer goes back on.
Look at that.
Look, back to 6 minutes. So we cooked it on
That
400
is dope.
for 6 minutes.
Small thing. You better not. You better not.
Do it, Aiden. Aiden, how you gonna let your daddy get at you? You better
Help
get.
me, help me.
Okay, let's get some more bullets in here. Come on, man. Put that bullet in there. Show your daddy how you work. Come on.
So
Ooh.
you coming? Look at Nelly.
Look at Noli. Get him, Noli.
Ooh, no, that's it.
Let's see, baby.
Yeah, that's it right there.
Mommy.
Ooh, now that's
that's
the
that
chicken
good.
I like.
That's that chicken.
That's what I like.
Okay. Yeah, I can get with that right there.
All right, so let's put it on a plate, baby. All right, you guys, so we're going to redo this again with our other batch that we still got to make.
Look at that, though, that golden brown, look at that crispy.
I know, I'm ready to try it. Let's try it. Let's do it.
It's a little hot. We'll come back. You know, y'all gotta wait till we cook the rest. Just like we
Nah,
gotta cook the rest.
put it on a
Then
plate.
we'll eat
Put it on a
some.
plate.
Oh yeah, I'm a beast with that grease. Don't get it twisted. We only like this because you know it's convenient. You know, you got kids, you gotta clean up is better. All right, going 400, 20 minutes. Bang, and we're off.
Now we put it on for 20 minutes, but we're checking it every time, like it does
5
the
minutes,
countdown
yeah.
every 5 minutes. So when it goes to 15, we're gonna flip it. When it goes to 10, we're gonna flip it again. When it go to 5, we're gonna flip it, just to give you guys an example. So let's try it again, you guys, on 400, and let's see how
Make
it
sure you
rides.
like and subscribe. I'm gonna show up at your front door with this thing like I just did my son.
And say
Like,
rat-ta-ta-ta.
subscribe, smash the like button, share, comment in the comments of what you want to see next, or you're gonna hear this sound. Yeah, some of that.
All right, guys, so we are about to try it. 'Cause I
No,
can't
my
wait.
wife couldn't wait.
I can wait. I'm hungry.
She hungry.
All right, this one.
You know I'm a drumstick man, so
All right.
look at that. Ooh, that's hot.
We're
Though.
gonna share it, though.
You gonna share one?
Yeah, so we don't.
But it's so hot. Like that heat is like you bite into that, it's gonna be real.
Oh.
Couldn't wait.
That's how you know it's
Talking
done.
about we gonna share it.
We share
You know what? It's vid time. You can have this.
it.
No, see, I'm holding it. My hand's burnt up. My shit is on fire. I'm trying to play it off for video, but
Alright, we'll probably come back to it. You gonna come back to it?
oh, I'll hit it one time. Oh wow.
Good.
Oh yeah. So juicy. Got a nice little like crisp edge to it.
How about that?
But the inside is still soft. That's how I like my chicken. The inside soft, outside got a crispy like layer of skin. That's good chicken. That's good chicken. It's not overdone. It's not underdone. It's like perfect. It's still juicy. You know what? We gotta make a homemade chicken noodle with this type of chicken.
Oh, yeah.
That'd be amazing.
Yeah.
So comment if you want us to see a homemade chicken noodle video, because we definitely do that too.
Make love to it, baby.
That's what I'm talking about. Nice and moist, nice and golden. Look at that. There's no white on the chicken. You don't see it? Look. Is it like bacon? Yeah, that's it, y'all. 25 minutes, 400. That's the vibe.
So 25 minutes, 400. You want to flip it every 5 minutes. And look, you got the perfect chicken, you guys. Like,
Yep, and you can do your own sauces. Then you can get your dipping sauces. You know, hot, mild. You know what I'm saying? That's what's gonna be fun. Yep. John's on his way. He's gonna give his music.
something quick.
Look at that shit. John, look at that shit. Air fryer. You feel me? Well, we put the salad in the air fryer. Look at that bitch. Yeah.
You want chicken too?
Nolly want chicken? Nolly, you want some?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tear it up, Aiden.
Tell them like, subscribe, comment, share.
With Daddy.
Bye. All right, guys.
So is he
You got the kicking it with the Kimberlins. Now you're cooking with the Kimberlins. Hey.